In the summer of 1969, a global audience held its breath as 3 astronauts embarked on a mission that would forever change the course of human history. The Apollo 11 spacecraft, piloted by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, was bound for the Moon, a celestial body that had long captivated the human imagination. The journey to the Moon was not an effort taken lightly. It was the result of years of tireless work, scientific breakthroughs, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge by NASA, the United States Space Agency. The Apollo program was the direct response to the Soviet Union's success in sending the first man into space, Yuri Gagarin, in 1961. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 launched from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The world watched as the spacecraft soared into the cosmos, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. But the road to the Moon was fraught with challenges. The most significant challenge was the lunar module, named Eagle, which was designed to land the astronauts on the Moon. The module was small, cramped, and filled with complex machinery. It was the size of a small car, and the slightest error could mean disaster. As Apollo 11 approached the Moon, the tension mounted. The Moon's surface was unlike anything the astronauts had ever seen, and they had to navigate a treacherous valley known as the Tycho crater. Armstrong, the mission's commander, was at the controls, his heart racing as he guided Eagle towards the lunar landscape. The descent was precarious. The lunar module was designed to be light enough to land, but heavy enough to take off again. If it landed too hard, it might not be able to take off again. If it landed too soft, it could be stuck. The astronauts had to find the perfect balance. Finally, with minutes to spare, Armstrong declared, "The Eagle has landed." The world erupted in cheers. They has done it. Humanity had finally achieved something that seemed impossible just a few years before. But the work was not over yet. Armstrong and Aldrin had to suit up, navigate the Moon's alien terrain, and plant the American flag. They had to collect lunar samples and set up equipment for future missions. It was a daunting task, but they were determined to make the most of this historic moment. Meanwhile, Collins remained in the command module, orbiting the Moon. His role was essential, as he kept the command module running and ensured that Apollo 11 had a way back home. His isolation was a poignant reminder of the loneliness of space travel. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong and Aldrin descended from the lunar module and took their first steps on the Moon. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. The Moon landing was a triumph, a testament to human potential, and a beacon of hope for the future. The Apollo 11 mission was more than just a moon landing. It was a symbol of the human spirit, our ability to dream, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. It was a moment that united the world, and it serves as a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles, we can achieve greatness.